All right, guys, it's going to be a good one today because we have to break down Nvidia stock and talk a little bit about Nancy Pelosi. You guys remember Nancy Pelosi, the best trader of all time, right? Well, she bought Nvidia call options, I think earlier this year and maybe at the end of last year. And let's just say she's made a lot of money. So I want to break down potentially how much money she's made. So jam-packed video. Guys, hit the like button. Do not forget to subscribe and get up to 15 stocks from Moomoo. Check it out, guys. Once you open up your account and fund it with at least $100, you get 5 stocks and you get a $30 cash reward, all with just a $100 deposit. And if you fund your account with at least $1,000, you get 10 more stocks, and overall, your uninvested cash will earn up to 8.1% APY, which, guys, that's a no-brainer. So check out the link down below or go to stocksurfast.com/Moomoo. Get your money, guys. And of course, that is an affiliate link. I appreciate your support as always. And let's dive into it. So Nvidia didn't do much today. Honestly, right off the bat here, guys, it didn't do much today, but that's to be expected considering yesterday we hit an all-time high and we kept going up in the aftermarket. Take a look. We hit $144.50 at the end of the aftermarket session yesterday, and then we gapped down this morning. You guys can see if I zoom in on the intraday, we gapped down this morning. Boom, big gap down. And then we consolidated a bit in the pre-market, excuse me, guys, followed by a lot of volatility intraday, a lot. And Nvidia only went down 12 cents on the day, about 0.1%. And what is today, guys? Today is a consolidation day, obviously, right? Yesterday we broke out of 140 bucks again, 141, and we just ripped all day after that technical breakout because we covered this on the channel, 140, 141, that was a big resistance from a couple of days ago, from a couple of weeks ago, I think, as well. And I told you guys, look, if Nvidia were to break out, we're going to see a nice push, all-time highs, and go from there. And that's exactly what we did, man. We took out 141, kind of had a nice blow-off top rally, if you even want to call it that. And now we're just consolidating, getting ready for the next move potentially, or for some more consolidation. We really might just chill out here a bit, guys, in the mid 140s, low 140s before continuing on. Because look, we've gone up so much. The reality is, over the last 3 weeks, from 114 per share to 142 per share, we're up 25%. We've gone up so much, the healthy thing here might just be for some consolidation for a couple of days before, like I said, making the next move, which I think by the end of the year we will hit 150 bucks. That is my price target. I've been saying that here on the channel. Well, really, my first one was 140. Now it's 150. Boosted it up a little bit because we just hit 140. So yeah, I think we are going higher. The breakout is pretty evident here on the charts, guys. Very clear. We have the ascending triangle we've been talking about. That's now playing out. We're taking out the all-time high previous one from June. It looks great, but we just got to get some consolidation first before continuing on here, which is what we're noticing. So I want to share with you guys Nancy Pelosi, man. She has made some very profitable moves over the last year. Not every one of her moves is timed perfectly. I mean, I track them because I make videos on the topic, and I'm actually very curious myself, obviously, right? So I track these moves, and she's made a lot of profitable moves, but one bad one that she made, we got to highlight the bad too. She actually sold, I think, all of her Tesla right before the big run-up. You guys remember how Tesla got down to 138 or whatever, 140. I think she sold shortly after that. And then it ran up. But pretty much every other move other than that one was a timely move. She bought calls on Broadcom. She bought calls on Nvidia, which is for sure her best move. So let's see potentially how much money she's made. And let me actually make this a bit bigger here so you guys can see exactly what we're looking at right now. Let's come down a little bit. So as a member of Congress, Nancy Pelosi has to disclose the trades made by herself and her husband, which her husband does make trades, guys. I'm sure you all knew that. Let's see here. Let's come down a bit more. In a December 23rd, 2023 disclosure, the former Speaker of the House reported a purchase made before the Christmas holiday. All right, what was that? The purchase was made on November 22nd, 2023 for 50 call options in Nvidia with an $120 strike price and an expiration of December 20th, 2024, coming up right now in the next 2 months. So she bought a ton of calls there, guys. Let's see what else. Nvidia shares traded between 476 and 503 on November 22nd. So yeah, she bought heavy in the money. Call options there. The call options would have been purchased for around $360 each. Fast forward to today. 10 for 1 split. Let's come down and see a little more of the numbers here, guys. So on Monday, oh my God, these $12 call options. Wait a second. Oh, she bought 500 call options with a $12 strike price as well. Oh my God, I didn't realize that. And an expiration date of, or maybe that's a typo. That's got to be 120. Either way, date of December 20th, blah, blah, blah. Let's see here. So on Monday, these call options traded at $132. Oh, so I guess it is $12 call options, valuing her position at $6.6 million, guys, with a cost basis of $1.8 million. So she has essentially 3x'd her money, more than that, in under a year, buying these call options, which we don't have the exact, let's see here. Actually, no, we do. Here's a look at the two purchases, if I could talk, based on the intraday highs for Nvidia stock. So June 26, 10,000 shares, $128 per share, purchased at $1.2 million, now worth $1.43 million. Let's see, two purchases. So she bought some straight up shares, not too much gains, too many gains there, but a lot of the gains from the call options, man. So she's made potentially roughly estimated about $4.8 million. And just think about how many trades she's made, or her husband, whatever, either one of them. Think about how many trades they've made this big, you know? Think about how their net worth is $250 million, guys. At least Nancy Pelosi's is, last I checked. And she makes what, $200,000 a year, which is great money, no doubt. But for her net worth to be $250 million, how do you think she got there, man? Not saying she's an insider trader or she trades on insider information. We don't know. We don't have that evidence, right? But this is how a lot of these politicians make a good amount of money. They're trading stocks, man. They have a huge portfolio. God knows where they got the money from. Again, they don't make a crazy salary to have millions of bucks like this. But then again, she is older in age. So, you know, she might have saved her whole life. Who knows, right? I mean, gosh, guys, we have no idea. But that's pretty crazy. Either way, big money was made there. She's made a lot of other moves. She sold Visa before the DOJ lawsuit, right? That was a timely sale. She made a bunch of money on Broadcom calls. I forget the other moves, but you guys know. If you know, you know. So what do you think? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Hit the like button. Check out the email list. It's free. I'm sending you all my top 3 stocks every Monday. Put your first name and your email, link down below in the description. Again, it's free. And shout out to everybody that's joined the Patreon, where I'm building out my real money portfolio, putting money every single week, buying stocks. You guys see all the moves on Patreon. There's also a Discord plus more. So check out the link down below or go to StockSurfS.com/Patreon, and I'll catch you in the next video.